Germany, on top of a hill, and see we are in a sheep farm. Lot of sheep are there. And how do sheep cry, Mandy?
Sheep cry like this, guys.
And what do you call baby sheep?
I think so. I don't even know. I don't even know.
Wear your coat. It's too cold.
It's so cold because there's snow. There's no
What
car.
are they eating?
They eat. I think so. I think so, guys. They eat like
Chicken?
no way. Sheeps never eat chickens.
Cattle food?
Never.
Grass?
No way. Yeah, yes, grass. Grass. Let's see. The whole and you can see it's a sunset. And there's a city. You cannot actually see. Yeah, now you can see. That's the city and there's a sunset. Sheep are so beautiful. Sheepy. Hello. Hello, Sheepy. What do you think? You look at my face. You look like you're angry to me. So that's so funny. Up in the mountain, what? There's trees here, without leaves. I'm gonna have a nice chill. Haha. It's so dark here and sunny because it's a sunset. And there's a farmhouse that farm people live. That's awesome. And there's a rabbit house. Wow. See there. I told my mom and dad. You can see our car right there, the white, because we're up a hill. Taking a picture, seriously. My house. Look, that looks amazing. Some people are living there. Count how many sheep are there. I will wait. I think there's too much sheep. Seriously, dude, too much. It's still like down there. Seriously, is that a town? Yeah, that's the town. Ugh, it's so dirt. You can see the sheep crying. One baby there, the brown one. That's so cute. I just see the sheep nearby.
And wool
Sheep make wool from this.
No, sheep's in the hair cut down wool.
When people come here, they cut sheep's hair, and that's the wool they have. That's how you get wool to make a bed. So I'm gonna end out this video. If you like this video, just hit the like button, and even like my mom and dad. And bye. Hey, say bye.
Bird watching.
He's doing bird watching, so bye.